on the Instagram. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to simply open up your Spotify application. So once you're in the Spotify application, select a song that you want to post on the Instagram story. So simply once you have done that, all you have to do is to go to these option right over here so you guys can share the song on the Instagram stories. So here you guys can see that there is a story option right underneath the share option. So what you have to do is to select the story option of the Instagram. Open up your Instagram application and you will be redirected to the posting a story option. So this is how you can post the song on the story of the Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel and make sure that you like the video, comment on the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So take care. Bye bye.